Okay, this is a side-by-side comparison of 3 vacuums. The first one here is the Smotur. I guess S-M-O-T-U-R. This is the SVHT, which we're just going to call it the V15. And then this one here is the NADALY. So I know if you have been searching for different stick vacuums, there's so many out there, and so it's really hard to know what's the difference, which one should I purchase. So this is just a comparison video to help you understand the differences, see which one you might like better of these 3. Now all 3 of these are very similar, but there are some differences that make each one kind of stand out above the other one. Now, in terms of runtime, now that's very important to most people, is just how long is it actually going to run after it's been charged. And the Smotur here, one of the things that I love about this one is it comes with 2 batteries. So it will go up to 110 minutes, which is really a long time, and that's nice to have because often when you're using some of these stick vacuums, if it goes dead, then it's nice to have another battery for backup. Now the NADALY here, it actually will go 65 minutes, which is a really long run time as well. And the V15 gives you about 45 minutes. So, I mean, it's great too. So the V15 is great as well if you have a smaller space and you don't need longer than 45 minutes, and that's great. But that's the difference in the run time and the power. The Smotur and the NADALY are very similar. They're kind of neck and neck with how much power they have. The NADALY advertises that it has like 48 KPA with a 580 watt motor, while the Smotur offers about 45 KPA with a 55 watt. Basically, just that these are strong for carpets. All right. Now, the V15 doesn't reach the same numbers, but it's still good, and it still does a good job suctioning as well. The thing about the V15, it features a green light technology that actually highlights dust that you might not be able to see. And so if you're using it on your hardwoods, then the way that the light shines on it is really cool. You can see all kinds of dust that you would not be able to see. You may like that or you may not. Now the other 2 also do have an LED light that comes on at night, but it's just not the same green light kind of technology that the SV15 has. All 3 of them are pretty lightweight, easy to move around, not too heavy. 3 of them also have the HEPA filter or washable filters. And the anti-brush rolls. So you can see here, this is very important. I've had stick vacuums that do not have the anti-hair stick, and it is kind of a pain to clean out. So all of these are great. Now this one over here, this Smotur, it looks like that this head itself might be the best head of the 3. But they actually are all very similar. Seems like that it'll be easy to clean out the hair in those. Now, I will say in this side-by-side comparison that the NADALY head is a little bit larger than these 2 here. Again, this V15 is a little bit smaller. So if that matters to you, then I do think that is important to have a larger head. That's nice to have. You can also see here on the Smotur and the NADALY that the filter, that the dust cups are in the front, and that this one here, the NADALY, seems a little bit larger than this one, where this handle is, where this one is in the back. Now when you're going to clean it and dump it, all you're going to do is push that button. All the dust comes out there. Here, same way, you just push this button and it comes out this way, and then here it comes down. So very easy to handle. SV15. Here's the green light technology I was telling you about. I'll show you here. You can see dust that you normally would not see. Now here this shows you the battery right here, how much battery it has. And then this is turbo, so extra power there that you hear it. So I can tell this has a great suction to it. NADALY. Now, here's the power for it. Now I can tell this handle actually is just a little bit heavier than the SV15, but it doesn't mean I don't like it. It's just a little heavier. Now I do like how you can see how it just maneuvers to go underneath couches. It does have a light as well. It's just not the green light. Now this one shows you on the front here the power and the battery life. And last here is the smocher. And you actually push the button here to turn that on. This shows you the battery life right here. And then you can make the power go up. Here's the light. Now this one definitely sucks a lot harder. I think that was that suction that we were talking about. Now and the harder that it sucks, the more power it's going to use, so it's going to go out quicker. But again, this is the one that has the 2 batteries, which is nice. And it will go to auto, so it'll automatically kind of set where it's needed. The last thing I want to point out is just the attachments that come with each one. Now here, the V15. You can see here is the charging station, and then the different filters that it comes with, different heads that you can put on it. This one here, the NADALY. Here's the charging station for this one. Very similar in the extra things that it comes with. Pretty much the same. The only thing I would say here with this one is having this extra battery for the smocher. So that's super nice. This is that extra battery. This is where you can hang it on the wall to actually charge it, which is nice as well. And the filter systems there. So that's a little bit about the stick vacuums as you're studying, trying to figure out which one is good for you. I hope this video was helpful for you.